Hello everyone. So welcome back to this Maximo IT demonstration part 2. In the part 1 we discussed the overview of Maximo IT and how the IT tile appears in the mass suite and how to install it along with the manager's base. So here in part 2 we'll look at how Maximo IT actually appears in its new skin, and we will have a brief look at the ITAM and ITSM, that is IT asset management and IT service management applications. So for ITAM, we'll see assets, configuration items, and licenses applications. And for ITSM, we will be getting a brief overview of problems, incidents, and service requests. And we will also have a look at how the new self serve looks in the new skin. So let's jump right to our setup and begin. So I will log in with as a general user into Maximo IT. Okay, so here we are inside our Maximo IT setup. This is how Maximo IT looks in the new skin. This is the start center, the main Maximo IT dashboard. Here we have this hamburger menu, which gives you all the the menu items. You can directly jump from here. These are embedded inside this, and you can also search for, like, for example, if you want to search assets, you can just simply type here assets and just select one. So, like here, this is the your hamburger menu, and this is the start center. Here you can configure what portlets you want to see. You can also save a template. You can make your own template and give it a name and uh, save it, and even decide whether you want to see it as the default template uh, or not the default template. So you can select the portlets as per the information that you want to view when you log in. So, and here we have this bulletins, which gives the entire updates for the applications. This is the report section where you can generate reports based on different applications from here. And this is the help link. So through this help link and system information, it takes you directly to IBM documentation, which from where you can find more information about a particular application from wherever you open it. This is the profile information. So the user can edit and manage their personal information from here. And this is the application. So this you can jump to other mass applications from here. So this is how our new Maximo IT dashboard looks like. So let's go ahead and jump to each application individually. So we'll start with assets. So we go to asset. We can search from assets here, like I did earlier, or you can go to assets from here. So this is the asset application, and this is how it would initially look like. And here you have common actions and more actions, the list of common actions and more actions, and this is the toolbar. So, and here we can view the entire list of applications by just hitting enter inside the asset field. So I can open one, and I can have a quick overview by just hovering over here and have a quick look at the basic details, or I can just click over it and jump inside. And here you can see all the tabs, all the information, whatever. Whenever you want to add a new asset, you can just come here and add information that you want. So the more you add, the more better. and from here you can just simply classify your information. So if it's an IT asset, the one thing that needs to be done is from classification, by coming to specifications and going to classifications, it should be classified as an IT asset. So that we have two types of asset: one is normal asset and one is an IT asset. So for it to be an IT asset, it should be classified as an IT asset from here. So that is one difference. So I already classified as IT asset. That's why the save icon didn't enable, because it's already an IT asset. We can try that with some other asset. For example, this one, it's not an IT asset, and we can go here and select classify and select as an IT asset and then save it from here. So it has been saved. So this is how you can classify these IT assets, and all these tabs, they are just like we had it in IBM Control Desk, and all you can a user can just go ahead and add relevant information. So we go back to list view, and this is how you can have your asset. If you want to create a new asset, you can go to a new asset from common actions, or you can click on new asset from this toolbar and start adding your information, right? So this is the asset, and one other is another one is configuration items. So that we would find in IT infrastructure. So here you can classify, manage all your IT assets. So when it's asking to save changes, no. And so we come to in configuration items. So similarly, the entire interface is very same as assets, and this is one addition that we have this more information link here, which can help you jump directly to IBM documentation for configuration items, where you can view more information on this application. So we will have a brief look at this, how I sample how the configuration items look like. So you just open it, and here we can see all the details for this item. And this is also quite similar as how we used to have it in IBM Control Desk. So from here you can view the topology map. So it would need we need to configure more assets, and then you can view a complete map here. So this is how the configuration items look like. You can link it to actual CIs from here only, and we can also jump to actual configuration items from here, and then view how they look in here like this. So these are the actual configuration items. Here also you can use the CI topology viewer and view connection between multiple nodes once configured. So this is how the actual configuration items looks like. Next on we have is the licenses app, which is there in assets, licenses. So you can use this licenses application to define the entitlements for each of your software products. So, and according to their license agreements, you can save the data here. So for example, if you want to see the present records, click enter inside the license, and this is how this license application appears. And you can save all your software product entitlement data according to your needs. So just go from tab to tab and select your licenses and related details. For adding a new license, you can do it from common actions from here or from the toolbar as well. And the additional actions, the more actions are coming here. So this is also like ICD. Just this is how the new one looks like. The new skin looks like. So next on we can jump to this ITSM, that is IT service management. So that we will start with incidents. So I'll type here incidents. So incident app is used to record information about an event that might disrupt the quality of a service. So a user, if he or she is facing some quality issues of with the service, something is down, they can raise an incident. So incident is basically a type of ticket. When you submit an incident here, it is saved as in the form of a ticket, and while an agent works on it. So to submit a new incident, you can do it from common actions from here and from the toolbar from here. So clicking enter, we can view the current incidents. So and here we can see the status of these new incidents, these old incidents. Sorry. So just open one, and this is how the incident page looks like. So the more information a user adds, the better are the chances for his problem to be solved immediately. So because the agent has more information, and they can work on it directly. So these are the tabs like they were in ICD, and you can submit an incident here. So going back to list view, when you click on new incident, this page opens. So you're automatically assigned an incident number, and further information you can go ahead and add here. And when you're done, just save it from here, and then your incident is submitted. You have the common actions and more actions here, where you can apply your additional actions for your tickets. So this is the incidents application. Next up is the problems. So problem can be defined as an underlying cause of one or more incidents. So here user can submit their a problem ticket, and if you want to view more information about problems and how to use this application, you can go to more information from here. This will take you to our IBM our IBM docs. So to view the current problems, you click enter here, and I can see. And if I want to add a new problem, or I can submit it from here. So I click here, and then it assigns me a new problem, a ticket number, and then I can go ahead and start adding the details according to my needs. And then the more I add, the better it is, because it becomes easier for the agent to work on it sooner. We have the common actions and more actions here. So this is the problems application. Next up is the service request. So service request is there in work orders, in your self-serve also, and your role-based applications. It can be found in service desk. It can be found in service request catalog. So we can just jump to anyone when we want to raise a service request. So I'll go to service desk. No. So this is the service request application. You can go to more information and have more information about service request in the IBM docs. So this is how it looks like. So when you click enter, you can see the present service requests. We click on one. This is how it opens. It has a service. This is also a ticket only. So it is raised as a ticket, and then when you open it, you can start adding your details about what service you want, and all the details regarding it. So service requests can be raised from the request catalog, and also from self-serve. So let's have a brief view at the self-serve interface. So we can find self-serve inside self-service. When you submit a service request from self-serve, that is also saved as a ticket in the system, which then the agent later works on. So it's taking a bit longer to load. So okay, we'll look at it later. So this is how these new applications they look like in the new skin. You can jump to any application from this hamburger menu at the side, and manage all your information. So I go back to start center from here, and I can just make all your I can make changes to the template again and see and have them per my needs. So this is the new Maximo IT application. So I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching. Thank you.